Hi, my name is Paul Ackel. I represent Shure products, and I'd like to talk to you today about the new Shure PG wireless products. What I have today is a handheld system and the belt pack as well, which I want to talk to you about some of the features. This is a system that incorporates a lot of the features that we have in our more expensive systems, but at a more reasonable price point. One of the things you'll notice, first of all, on this unit is there are no external antennas. It's the first unit we've introduced that actually has the antennas. There's two antennas, and they're built inside of the unit. Makes it more compact and obviously less potential for damage if you're going to transport this unit. In terms of features, this actually has a capability of selecting 10 different channels, 0 through 9, and you'll see here it's on channel 1. In order to change one of the channels, all you have to do is press the button right here, and if you do that, it will then start flashing. You hold it for a second, it starts flashing, and then you can then push the button again and it will change it to, hold on, flashing. Now you can change it to whatever channel you want it to be, so you can see I'm stepping through all different channels. When you find one that's a clear open channel, you leave it there, take your finger off, and then it stops. You're now at channel 2. So it gives you a lot of different channel choices to find clear open channels. There are 3 bands available that you can get on these units. So if you were to go across the 3 different bands, you can have up to 8 simultaneous systems running. We offer units available with a handheld microphone, which you see here. We have a handheld, we have a belt pack unit, and the belt pack unit gives you the capability of interfacing either with a guitar cable, you can interface it with a headset, or you can interface it with a lavalier microphone and try to incorporate all the different options. Now there's also some dual systems available. You have systems available with 2 handhelds. You have systems with a handheld and a headset. You have 2 lavaliers in a package, and you also have a handheld and a lavalier. So 4 different dual systems. So you're getting basically a combination of these 2 components in a dual system, for example, with a lav and a belt pack. And then you get a receiver. This is a single, but the dual would be slightly larger, which actually has 2 receivers in one. Now, in terms of some of the features that they all have in common, you have one feature called predictive diversity. Predictive diversity basically is a system that is patented by Shure, and there's a digital processor that actually monitors the signal strength on the 2 sides of the unit. And if it sees one side is going down in signal strength and performance and the other one is going up, it will switch over to the other side before you wind up having a problem. So, so that minimizes any dropouts when you're using this in a performance application. One of the other features it has, Shure came up with a system called audio reference companding in their more expensive systems. And they've incorporated that circuit, a similar circuit in this. The audio reference companding basically is a system that minimizes the noise pickup of the unit, but by having a variable ratio companding circuit, it gives it a much more natural sound, more like a wired microphone. So you have that. In addition to that feature, we also have a lockout feature on this so that you can actually set the transmitters, either the handheld or the belt pack, to lock the channel. So once you've got a channel you like, you can then hold this so that you don't accidentally change channels. To change channels on these, you just open up the battery cover and basically step through the channels on the transmitters, just like you did on the receiver. And we also have tone key squelch feature on this, which basically sends a second signal in addition to the main signal, so that the receiver knows that if it's getting a signal and it's the same frequency or channel as this, that if it doesn't have that second signal on there, that it's not going to pick that up as an actual signal. It will eliminate that and only pick up the signal from the actual transmitter you see here. And that's the PG wireless system.